Welcome back to day 4 of our 5-day Watercolor Seascape series. Today we are diving into a tranquil, cloudy day, seen with a vibrant green-blue sea and a graceful sailing boat. So grab your brushes and let's get started. Let's prepare the colors for our painting. For the sky, I'm using a mix of ultramarine and metallic red light to create soft, cloudy tones. For the sea, we will start with the turquoise blue and later we will add emerald green to mix to achieve that vibrant green-blue hue. For this part of the painting, I'm keeping the paint consistency light, like tea. This ensures smooth, flowing layers that are perfect for capturing the softness of the sky and the gentle movement of the sea. Let's paint a cloudy sky full of character and depth. Use a big mop brush. Start by applying ultramarine from the main tone of the sky. I'm dragging the belly of the brush across the paper to naturally shape the clouds as we go, leaving some wide spaces for softness and contrast. Next, mix a little metallic red light into the ultramarine. This will create a beautiful purple hue, perfect for the area of the sky close to the sea. Blend it gently to transition the colors smoothly. For the cloudy sky in the top right corner, add a touch of burnt sienna to the mix. This brings warmth and subtle earthy tone to the dramatic clouds, giving the scene more mood and depth. Finally, use masking tape to mark the center line of your paper. This will help you keep a clean and crisp horizon line, making the sky and the sea distinct yet beautifully connected. Take your time blending these colors to achieve a natural, harmonious look before we move on to the next step. Now let's bring the sea to the life. First, carefully remove the masking tape to reveal the horizon line. Then, using a clean wet brush, gently soften the edge of the horizon to create a natural transition between the sky and the sea. Next, it's time to add color. Start with a mix of turquoise blue and emerald green for the main body of the sea. Apply this smoothly, letting the colors flow naturally to capture the movement of water. For the sea near the horizon, use just a turquoise blue to create a subtle gradient effect that gives the sea depth and distance. Finally, for the bottom area, where the beach meets the water, use a mix of burnt sienna and amber to mimic the sandy shoreline. Blend the colors softly where they meet to create a harmonious transition between sea and shore. This layered approach adds depth and realism to your painting. Now that the first layer is completely dry, let's add a graceful sailing boat to complete our seascape. Start by using a pencil to lightly sketch a very simple shape for the boat. Nothing too detailed, just a basic outline to guide us. Next, we will apply very diluted turquoise blue to paint the boat's sail, keeping it soft and light to match the mood of the scene. For the body of the boat, I'm using amber to give it a warm and earthy tone. Once the main shape are in place, let's add a few details. Paint the boat's reflection on the sea with smooth horizontal strokes, blending it gently into the water. Then refine the boat itself with small touches like lines and highlights to give it a character and life. Take your time with this step. These details make the composition feel balanced and complete. And there it is, and our sailing boat gliding peacefully across the green-blue sea. And there you have it, a stunning cloudy day seascape with a vibrant green-blue sea and a graceful sailing boat gliding across the water. I hope you enjoyed bringing this scene to life step by step. If you loved today's tutorial, don't forget to give this video a like, share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you are ready for day 5. So keep watching. I will see you in the next tutorial.